Hi. Like 2 days ago, I went on a bike trip with my parents, and as we live near the Rhine, we went like along the Rhine to some ice cream shop. We just drove along, and it was really a beautiful day. And there were these huge birds. Like, I don't even know them. Like, I just, I don't know birds. As we drove past, I was just like, I want to be a bird. Birds don't have to care about anything. They're free. They can fly. They don't have to do anything. They're born into this world only ever having to care about food and not being eaten, I guess. But other than that, they don't have to care about anything. It's not like you have to do this and this and this to get this and this and this to die at one point. They don't have to fit into a society. They don't have to do anything other than eat and try not to be eaten. And most importantly, birds are not self-aware. At least I don't know they're self-aware. Maybe they are, but I don't think so. They don't know the concept of happiness, and they don't know the concept of sadness. But still, I want to be a bird. I want to fly and be free and not conform into anything. I want to be a bird.